Hey everyone, in this video I will be talking about this very impressive true wireless earbud from Tranya, the B530. Let's see what's inside the box. Here we have the user manual and instruction booklet how to connect and set up the earbuds. And what we have here, FCC compliance statement paperwork. And include is the small, medium size, and large silicone ear tips. And we have the micro USB charging cable. So the charging case is made of plastic with a semi-transparent lid. The earbuds is IPX5 water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, touch control, 8 hours listening time for each earbuds. With the charging case, you can get up to 56 hours of listening time. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge. You can use these earbuds individually. You can connect the left earbuds first and then connect the right earbud. The downside is that you won't have the full control. If you use the left earbud, you can only turn down the volume with the left earbud and go back to the first track. And if you use the right earbuds, you can only skip to the next track and turn on the volume. So you don't get the full control if you use these earbuds individually. The earbuds will auto connect when you remove the earbud from the charging case and disconnect when you put it back into the case. Let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality of these earbuds are very clean and clear. The bass are very punchy. It's not punchy as the Tranya T3, but there's a punch to it. The instrument and vocal is very clean and clear. The frequencies is well balanced. It doesn't take over one another. The microphone on this, when you're talking to it, it sounds very clear and clean. Overall, the B530 is very good true wireless earbuds. For the price of $60, these earbuds offer a lot. If you want to get the B530 to try out yourself, I have included a link in the description down below. Any questions or comments, drop it in the comment section below. To help my channel out, please click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell for new videos update. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.